Listen to these two sentences. My girlfriend is boring. My girlfriend is bored. Which of these is correct? Hi, I'm David, and in this video, we're using participle adjectives to talk about cause and effect. Participle adjectives are when we use verbs to describe things. The first way is to add ing. We do this to talk about the cause or reason. When we talk about the result or the effect, we use ed. Let's look at some examples. This movie is boring, so my girlfriend is bored. But if I said my girlfriend is boring, that would be the cause, meaning I want a new girlfriend. And if I really did say that, my girlfriend would be very angry with me. Let's look at some more examples. The roller coaster is thrilling, so they are thrilled. The trip was exciting, so my parents were excited. The earthquake was damaging, so the building was damaged. This book is interesting, so I am interested in the book. So remember, when we talk about the cause or the reason, we use ing. When we talk about the effect or the result, we use ed. And that's 1 Minute English. Oh, wait. Before you go, could you please help me with something? I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.